Meteorologist Chad Evans, certified by the National Weather Association. Weather from where you live.
Well, rain is closing in, but our air mass in the lower atmosphere is very dry. So I think as this rain moves in, it's going to evaporate a little bit. So it's probably going to start out as sprinkles, then go to kind of some patchy light rain from 7 o'clock on. Then once we get towards 10 o'clock, the real mass of the steady washout rain, if you will overspread the area. It's going to last through the overnight hours, then start to taper as we go through the mid and later morning hours for tomorrow. But thankfully, we're going to miss out on the severe weather with all the tornadoes and tornado watches here in the plains from Kansas all the way down to Texas. And the good news is that the severe weather threat for tomorrow is going to be off to our east and our southeast. So that's some decent news there. Some good soaking rain. Just not too concerned about a severe weather threat with this system. But don't be surprised if you see flickers of lightning out your window. Here's some rumbles of thunder overnight because we're already getting lightning with some of this headed our way out towards the St. Louis area. And it's cranking out some pretty good rainfall. This is the accumulated rainfall from this today. Anything in green, that is over 1 inch of rain. And you can see this pretty much headed in our direction. Temps running near 60 degrees right now, from 60 at Peru and Logansport to 60 at Lafayette and 61 at Attica, headed for low 50s for overnight lows. 3 weather systems on the way. It's going to be a pretty active week, but we'll focus on the first one right now. 1 to 1.5 inches of total rainfall by midday tomorrow. A lot of wind with this system. Winds are going to gust to near 40 overnight tonight, so kind of a miserable night tonight. Winds out of the southeast. They'll turn to the southwest tomorrow. And really in terms of severe weather, it's going to be east and southeast of us tomorrow afternoon. 2 more systems, one Wednesday night, Thursday, and another Saturday night into Sunday with a 1/2 to 1 inch of rain each. There's the steady rains overspreading the area tonight. Pretty heavy rain around 5 o'clock in the morning. But notice what happens as we go through the morning hours. Rain pulls away. This is the cold front right here coming through around 1 o'clock in the afternoon. Could have a couple of thunder showers along it, but the severe weather threat is going to blossom from near the Bloomington to Indianapolis to Toledo, Ohio areas. This little line of thunderstorms along the front will continue to move off to the southeast and not affect us. But the rain will. Notice the rainfall totals from this by midday tomorrow. Again, 1 to 1.5 inches area wide. 1.4 in Lafayette and Fowler, and nearly 1.5 inches at Peru, and about 1.3 down towards Petersburg. 53, rain, a few thunderstorms arriving. Windy tonight, those southeast winds gusting to 40 miles an hour. 71 tomorrow, rain will taper off. The winds will decrease somewhat and begin to turn to the southwest and west during the day. We'll get a bit of a break as we get into Wednesday, highs and the upper 60s, but system number 2 will bring rain Wednesday night, lasting mainly the early half of Thursday, and then another system Saturday night into Sunday. But notice temperatures fairly seasonal. We should be in the low 70s. We're going to be around 70 for most of the next 7 days.
And most of that rain at night, you said?
Yeah, pretty good news. And in terms of severe weather, no real big threat here. That's good news as well.
Okay, but a rainy week ahead.